This 2-inch National Pipe Taper Tap Set from DECKRKAT is built from hardened carbon steel, so it holds a sharp cutting edge even under demanding shop or job site use. The tap cuts clean, accurate internal pipe threads that are ideal for restoring damaged fittings or chasing rusted threads without tearing up the surrounding material. Its tapered National Pipe Taper profile is designed to form tight, leak-resistant joints, which is especially valuable in plumbing, hydraulic, and compressed air systems. The right-hand cutting geometry, round shank, square drive end, and 6 straight flutes work together to clear chips efficiently and keep the tap tracking straight in the hole. Because it matches the common 2-inch nominal pipe size, this tap is a practical choice for professional mechanics, plumbers, and serious do-it-yourself users who regularly work on larger lines. A sturdy molded plastic case keeps the tap protected from knocks and corrosion, while also making it easy to find quickly in a crowded tool chest.